The easiest cabbage apple salad that recipe is super healthy. Ingredients you'll need. To make this salad, you'll need just a few simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. 7 ounces 200g cabbage. Choose fresh cabbage for the best texture and flavor. 3 tablespoons plain yogurt. Use unsweetened yogurt to keep the flavor natural and healthy. 1 apple. Any variety of apple works, but I recommend using a crisp, tart apple like Granny Smith for a bit of extra zing. Half a lemon. Fresh lemon juice adds a tangy punch to the salad. 1 tablespoon honey. A little touch of honey to bring some natural sweetness to balance out the tartness of the lemon. That's it. Simple, fresh ingredients that come together quickly to form a tasty, nutritious dish. Step-by-step guide to making cabbage apple salad. Now let's get to the fun part, making this super easy and healthy cabbage apple salad. The best part? It takes only minutes to prepare. You don't need to be a seasoned chef to make this dish, and you'll be amazed at how delicious and refreshing it turns out. Step 1. Prepare the cabbage and apple. Start by washing the cabbage thoroughly to remove any dirt. Then, cut the cabbage into thin strips or shreds. You can use a knife or a mandolin slicer to get nice, even pieces. The finer you slice the cabbage, the more it will soak up the dressing, giving each bite incredible flavor. Next, wash the apple. You can leave the skin on for added texture and nutrients. Slice the apple into thin pieces or matchsticks, whichever shape you prefer. If you're worried about the apple turning brown, squeeze a bit of lemon juice on the slices to keep them fresh and vibrant. Step 2. Combine the dressing ingredients. In a small bowl, combine the plain yogurt, honey, and fresh lemon juice. Stir everything together until it forms a smooth and creamy dressing. The tangy lemon and sweet honey perfectly complement the creamy yogurt, creating a balanced dressing that elevates the flavor of the cabbage and apple. Step 3. Toss the salad. Now, take a large mixing bowl and add the shredded cabbage and apple slices. Pour the yogurt honey lemon dressing over the top. Use a spoon or tongs to toss everything together thoroughly, ensuring that the cabbage and apple are evenly coated with the dressing. Step 4. Serve and enjoy. Once everything is mixed, your cabbage apple salad is ready to be served. It's that easy, whether you're having it as a light lunch or serving it as a side dish for dinner. This salad is sure to impress. The health benefits of cabbage apple salad. Aside from being incredibly easy to make, this cabbage apple salad is also packed with a host of health benefits. Let's take a closer look at how these simple ingredients contribute to your well-being. 1. Boosts immune health. Both cabbage and apples are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for boosting the immune system. Vitamin C helps protect your cells from damage, supports healthy skin, and aids in the healing process. Adding this salad to your daily routine can help you stay strong and healthy, especially during cold and flu season. 2. Aids digestion. Cabbage is known for its high fiber content, which is essential for maintaining healthy digestion. It promotes regular bowel movements, helps prevent constipation, and supports a healthy gut. The fiber in apples also adds to this benefit, making this salad a great choice if you're looking to improve your digestive health. 3. Supports weight loss. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, this salad can be a great addition to your diet. Cabbage is low in calories but high in fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer. The apples provide natural sweetness, reducing cravings for sugary snacks. Together, they make a satisfying, low-calorie meal that will keep you energized and satisfied without derailing your weight loss goals. 4. Promotes heart health. The antioxidants found in both cabbage and apples, like flavonoids, help reduce the risk of heart disease by protecting the heart and blood vessels from oxidative damage. Additionally, cabbage contains a compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and support healthy blood pressure. 5. Improves skin health. The vitamin C content in cabbage and apples also contributes to healthy, glowing skin. Vitamin C plays a key role in collagen production, which helps maintain skin elasticity and prevent wrinkles. By regularly consuming this salad, you're helping to nourish your skin from the inside out. 6. Detoxifies the body. Both cabbage and apples act as natural detoxifiers. The fiber in cabbage helps flush out toxins from the body, while apples help promote liver health. This makes the cabbage apple salad a great addition to any detox program, or simply as a way to maintain a clean, healthy body.